So just like trying to find out where the windshield wiper switch is on a rental car, a new interface comes with the same features in new places, along with the introduction of some new options. I think we have kept the new car hidden for long enough. Perhaps it's time to jump out of the deck for a bit and actually open up Google Analytics 4. So the first report you'll see is called the Report Snapshot. This is actually a collection of cards that can in fact be customized to your liking by, in fact, clicking on the pencil icon here on the far right-hand side. While we won't dive too deep into this functionality, upon clicking on this button, you can delete reports not appropriate to you, as well as even add from a series of new cards. Again, we won't jump into all of these quite yet. The next button you'll see is the Insights button. From this same area, you can also ask Google Analytics 4 direct questions, with the Insights area making it easier for beginners to find answers to top questions. Next, you'll see Share, where you can both share as a link or as a file in PDF or CSV versions. Previously called Segments, Comparisons allows you to create powerful cohorts of users, flows, and much, much more. We'll discuss this within Module 4, Comparisons, Audiences, and Properties. Note, you can also add new comparisons up here. Last, but obviously not least, we have our data selector, or our date selector, with much more intuitive controls than before. As you can see, last 20 days has been added and is always recommended over using a month or even 30 days. Why, you may ask? Because this assures you have proportional weekend and weekday traffic. Aha! Now let's drill into a specific non-overview report to see a few more options we have available. Within the reports, you will notice even more flexibility. First, you have the dimension dropdown. You'll notice the ability to drop down and select from a series of dimensions, as well as choose a secondary dimension, just as in Google Analytics Universal. You can also still search within the list as well. Now, you'll also notice our metrics. You may also be noticing some new metrics that you have not seen before, like engagement rate, which is your new bounce rate, except unlike in golf and aiming for a smaller number, you want to aim for closer to 100%. We'll get into details of the new metrics in the last section of this module. You'll also notice you have all of your events and your conversions. Defaulting to all, I can also drill down into specific events or drill down into specific conversions that I've turned on. Not satisfied with these metrics? We'll come right back up here to edit and not only select from new metrics this time, but also various new visualizations. For instance, let's go ahead and edit this report. We're going to click on Metrics, Add Metrics, and we have a wide selection to choose from. We'll just go ahead and add quote amount and press Apply. You'll notice this automatically gets added to my report, and it's also retroactive. While these changes are certainly exciting, we're just getting started.